Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If your goal is to change the look of your ordered or unordered lists, you can use the list-style-type property. Value choices for ordered lists are decimal, which is the default and will display numbers, lower-alpha for lowercase letters, upper-alpha for uppercase letters, lower-Roman for lowercase Roman numerals, and upper-Roman for uppercase Roman numerals. Value choices for unordered lists are disk, which is the default and will display a filled circle, circle for a hollow circle, or square for a filled square as your bullet choices. You can also use an image as a list marker using the list-style-image property. The value choice for this property is the file name and location of the image you want to use on your web server. The on-screen example shows our style tag, unordered list selector, list-style-type set to circle, the ordered list selector, list-style-type set to upper-alpha, the ID tag for image set to list-style-image, the term URL, and the file and path name of your image on your web server in parentheses. Set the left margin to 20 pixels to display the image properly. And then your web page will show your ordered list with uppercase letters, unordered list with hollow circles, and the image list with an image as a bullet.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.